you are going to love the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, power moonroof, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.